outer speed.
What up, good people? Today we're reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So this is number 8 right here. So yeah, boom, boom. Samsung Galaxy Watch unboxing. Take the tab off right here. See what they got on top. So I'm guessing got that. Boom. Alright. So what is this inside of here? I guess this is your quick starter guide. Terms and conditions right here. Quick starter guide, terms and conditions. Let's see. Y'all be having a problem with this? Alright, cool. I just opened up on the other side. So it's gotta be your charger right here. Your magnet charger. Type C in right there. Get your Type C in. You got your face. That is nice. And it got some weight to this thing. It got a little weight to it. I guess you gotta pull this tab up right here. And let's see, what's this? I guess this is nothing. I was about to say, they ain't give me no band. Okay, alright. So I'll give you instructions on how to put your band on. So, alright, let's see. Let's use your band. I went with the sport band because I'm always, it's like everyday use for me. So I went with a sport band. Okay. I'm not gonna say a lie. If anybody's not saying this, but this is giving off Apple vibes. I like Apple, but god dang, Samsung, this is the reason why I bang with you a little bit more than Apple. Cause you unique, not the same. Silicone. I feel like it's a little silicone. Like my my old watch right here, there's a little. This is the Galaxy 3. So yeah, this is the Galaxy Watch 3. Kind of upgrade, but this one feels a little bit more harder. This feels plastic, so. I had to do a little bit of finessing. I ain't gonna say a lie. So I got it up and got it up there though. So the setting up is look like it's pretty easy. Yeah. Boom. English. So everything is set. It's asked me, do I want to take a tour? No, I skip. And boom, voila. Voila, boom. This is what we got. So I'll show you the old watch. Boom. Watch 3, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, Samsung Watch 8. Galaxy 8. So yeah.